Leadership Forum 2009.
Bodo Jinshashan Devaki. Today is slightly different. Yes, we are all set for a big day, and we launch what we call the first Jain Youth Leadership Forum 2009 and extend a very warm welcome to all of you guys.
Leadership is a very joyous thing. Leadership is also a very horrible thing sometimes. Now the dynamic balance of this nobody and somebody as yourself is the essence of leadership.
As Jains, we should take pride in ourselves because we are hardworking people. We work for 18 to 22 hours a day. We are capable of that.
24% of the income tax is being paid by Jains. Out of 16,000 Panjra polls, 12,000 Panjra polls are being run by the Jains. Money is not power, knowledge is power.
Ahimsa and non-violence. Satya. Achorya. Fourth one, Brahmacharya. Then we go to Aparigraha.
What are the principles from your faith that have been most important to you as you've grown in your successful career?
The first sentence on Ahimsa, that you don't want to hurt anyone.
What impresses you, the knowledge of the profession, faith in the profession, and the right content?
We have this principle of Anekantvad. I think it has given me a sensibility. It has given me a knowledge that, or a sensibility, I would say, to be open to ideas.
Conventionality is not morality. Going with the crowd is not necessarily right.
Getting the big people together on a single platform was one of the most difficult jobs. The first thing what we did was to network the all Jain businessmen.
How do you get recognition from the day one you start your life? And thus here the government service is a career.
To those who dare to dream the dreams and then are foolish enough to try to make those dreams come true are the entrepreneurs.
The entrepreneurship for me is to create an enterprise with a larger goal.
Are you trying to do something new for your customers? Are you trying to create something new for the society? That's what defines entrepreneurship.
Anybody who can create independent value, to me, is an entrepreneur.
If you want to be an entrepreneur, you got to believe this, that you are living in a world of difficulties, challenges, problems, messes, and that's why you're an entrepreneur.
ये धम्मो, आज्ञा में ही धर्म है। आप आज्ञा पालन कर लो, धर्म आ जाए।
मोक्ष का मार्ग है सम्यक ज्ञान। ये सोचने की प्रवृत्ति जब हमारे अंदर आ जाती है, तब हमारा जीवन कार्यान्वित बन जाता है।
तो अपने जैन शासन में अहिंसा के प्रति जो सूक्ष्म ज्ञान दिया गया हुआ है, वो आपको कहीं पर भी देखने को नहीं मिलेगा।
कषायों को जीतना है, क्योंकि आज हर जगह पे कषायों की बात है। क्रोध, मान, माया, लोभ, ये चारों कषाय की बात होती है। तो ये कषायों को जीतना है तो पहले इंद्रिय पर विजय पाना होता है।
मेरा प्रश्न यह है कि साधु साध्वी अपना खाना पात्र में क्यों खाते हैं? हम लोगों की तरह प्लेट्स या वो सब क्यों नहीं लेते?
जो काष्ठ के पात्र लाते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, सबसे मेन बेनिफिट आके सभी द्रव्य एक ही बन जाते हैं। अपने मुंह को स्वाद नहीं देने का, अपने को जो तपस्या करनी है तो मुंह को स्वाद को जीतना, अपने आहार संज्ञा पर अपने को विजय पाना है। आहार संज्ञा पर विजय पाने के लिए क्या होता है, जब पात्र होता है तो उसी में ले लेते हैं, रोटी, दाल, चावल, मिठाई, खारा सब उसी में, तो उसको सबको मिला के एक ही साथ ले लेते हैं। यानी मतलब मुंह को टेस्ट नहीं देते, तो वो खाते हुए भी उनको तपस्वी गिनते। जो पात्र में खाते हुए भी उनको तपस्वी गिनते। ये सबसे तो अपनी आहार संज्ञा पर मोह धीरे धीरे कम पड़ता है।
आई वुड विश कि आप राहुल कपूर जैन के साथ आप सब लोग
एक ऐसा माहौल बनाए कि पूरे जैन शासन की रक्षा करने की जवाबदारी आप JYLF को सौंपी जाए। दैट इज व्हाट आई माय मैसेज आर। Live life like there's no tomorrow. Live today. And I want you to live today, because if you don't live for today, you're gone. You're finished. You will never know how much time you lost in life. Give back to the world. But give back for what? It doesn't matter. I'm giving back for my mother. I'm giving back for my father. I'm giving back to my country. I'm giving back to Jain Dharam. I am giving back to everybody in every small way I can, because my whole life is about giving. I want you now to give back to society. This is the one of the best, the best speech I have heard in my life today. Excellent.
हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल।
Greatness about this man is he has nothing to hide. जो कुछ है वो साफ बोल देते हैं कि ये चीज़ है, आप ऐसे करो हो जाएगा। आप एक दूसरे से बहुत अच्छे तरह से बात करें, डायलॉग करें, एक दूसरे को समझें, और यही क्रम है जो आपको आगे लेके जाएगा।
What you are doing right from your heart. Other person may say you are not doing right, no problem, don't bother about it. But make yourself that what you are thinking is the right, what you are doing the right. Nobody can stop you.
Shri Pashanathaya Namaha. I want an astounding round of applause for the entire JYLF team, guys. A big, big round of applause for them. A huge cheer for everybody. Brilliant job by every single person.
Yes, definitely. I learned a lot about Jainism, about entrepreneurship.
It was really safe and helpful with a lot of experience out here. Let us guide our existence as Jain make a difference to the world around us.